What's going on, guys? Mr. Boom here with a little video of the most recent build that we have knocked out, finished up here at the shop. It is Mike's 2023 F150. It has a whole slew of stuff that we've done to it, as well as a couple other shops. So I'm going to go over it with you and kind of give you an idea of what a build like this would cost you. And yeah, so to start, it is a fully loaded, fully optioned 2023 F150 XLT single cab with the 5.0. The only option that I know that he didn't go with is adding the slider to the rear window. That's kind of a personal preference, but yeah, I don't know of many people that add that option anyway. But to go over everything that I've done here at the shop. So first and foremost, as you can see, it is, there is no chrome whatsoever. The truck did come with chrome bumpers in the front and the rear, mirror caps, emblems, the whole shebang. All of that has been color matched, as well as the grille, the emblems, front, side. The mirror caps were also paint matched. The door handles were paint matched. The third brake light is the OEM LED that has been tinted. As mentioned, front and rear bumpers, paint matched. The emblem was replaced with this aftermarket Raptor applique. It has also been paint matched with Atlas blue accent letters and numbers. The tailgate handle cover, the surround was smoothed and painted as well. And then you'll notice that it has the OEM LED tail lights in the rear. They have been PPF'd with PPF and tint. They are the trimmer tail lights, so they're already dark on the inside. And then we'll go back to the front, and you'll see clear reflectors in the headlights, OEM LED fog lights as well. These are the Raptor / trimmer headlights. These have also been PPF / tinted. And you'll also notice our Bullseye Custom Autos front splitter, which was, again, paint matched and installed. And then from the side, you will see it is lowered on 22-inch Forgestar F14 wheels. These have also been ceramic coated to keep them a little easier to clean. And if you look a little closer, you'll see coilovers in there. Those are the coilovers from the VAS suspension kit. The truck does have the full VAS suspension as well as the front differential brace. We'll go to the rear. I'm gonna zoom in, turn the camera on. You'll see full shock relocation. We've also added in a C-notch. It does have the Viking double adjustables in the rear and traction bars. You'll notice you don't see an exhaust anywhere back here. The reason being, one, the suspension setup makes it kind of hard to run the exhaust out the back. But two, it has a full custom aluminum exhaust, as well as, you might be able to see it, and they are quality material, all stainless bros, but it has long tube headers as well. That was installed by a local shop here in Texas, Biddle Motorsports. Dwayne Biddle did that. And then under the hood isn't stock either. As mentioned, the truck is a 5.0, if the exhaust didn't give it away. Under the hood, whoops, you have the Whipple, and as mentioned, it does have long tubes. Added this tank cover on top of that, and you'll see the OEM LED heads and fogs. But yeah, and currently it does have just the standard stage 2 kit. But if I recall correctly, Mike did say he had a 3.25 as well as a 3.5 pulley and a 4 fuel system that will be going on it. And he also has an upgraded drive shaft. Now, that's not all. The truck is getting full PPF on the front end, courtesy of our friends over at Bespoke Paint Protection. And on the inside, there's even more done. So, factory trim, smooth paint matched to match the console. All of that was done carbonized gray, as well as the trim around the dash and this. And you'll notice the 12-inch screen conversion, and of course, the center console with functional lever, catskin seats, and behind the seats, a full audio system. I'm gonna pause this real quick. All right, now that you guys can see, I just didn't do anything, just moved the seat forward and reclined it. Gonna put the key in. And you'll see a very nice setup. This was done by a shop in Georgetown, Texas. Turn that off. Sounds really good. I don't know all of the information on it. All I know is the shop is located in Georgetown, Texas, and Mike did the full JL audio. He also replaced the door speakers as well as the speaker in the dash. So to give you guys an idea of what a full build like this, oh, can't forget the last little thing. It is a Ford Performance inspired truck. So yeah, this is a full-on build. He also has a set of drag wheels with bead locks front and rear for it, since it is a four-wheel drive. And yeah, so all in all, this truck to replicate, you're looking at close to, if not over $100,000, depending on if you buy new or used parts. Being that this is a brand new truck, Mike opted for all new parts, so it was a very spendy build. Like I said, to replicate it, plan on spending at least $100,000. The truck did start off with a base MSRP of $53 and some change thousand. So it is by no means a cheap build. It is a fully loaded XLT. So yeah, I'm super stoked with how the truck turned out. Super thankful that Mike let me be a part of the build. There were a couple hiccups along the way that were taken care of. And yeah, the truck looks absolutely incredible. And I can't wait to see what it runs once he gets the rest of the performance mods done to it. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. It would be very appreciated. If you would like me to build an F-150 for you or do any work for you, shoot me an email, sales@bullseyeCustomAutos.com, or a text message to the phone, 512-766-4050. And yeah, like I said, please like and subscribe to the channel if you weren't already. I do plan on showing more builds. As you can see, my single cab is currently under the knife, another single cab under the knife, and a lot more lined up. So that truck is going to look completely different for SEMA this year, so stay tuned for that as well.